down. Just set it down.
Who's gonna win, brother or sister?
Dad? Porky, look. Lily's like, who are they? I don't know them.
Go get the rest of them.
And I'm
Put it in that towel.
Mama, can you do me a favor? Yeah. Do you see that white bucket? Put it in there. Who are these people?
Look at the turkey. Look at the turkey. Look at the turkey. The turkey's all swirled up at him. Myra, be careful with that tin.
How many more? I think like 1 or 2 more.
Brother versus sister, who's gonna win?
Yeah, girls to be quite a little farmer. Yes, 1 more left, I think.
Look, they're having a convention meeting. But hey, it's big out here. See what they had Buddy Murray hit the trash can. She walked away. She got mad.
Look, now, they can let the duck eat, but they won't let each other eat.
Well, he's like, who are these people? I know some of them, but not all of them. So who are they? Someone's cool. Yeah, Porky.
Who's your sister being mean to you?
That one right there? That was looking around? That's the last one.
Duck's trying to figure out about that baby.
He's like, when did they get here? Because that's him.
Is it the girl duck? Because it looks like she's trying to take them in as her own. Wait, is she being mean to him?
That's the buck.
Why is he being such a douche?
What was the other one? The new one in the yard.
Oh wait, are they cleaning them? Looks like she's cleaning it. I'm taking you as my new baby, she says.
Uh-oh, the baby chick found the food.
She's like, Dad, that's Lily. The white one right there, that's Lily. That's my chicken. Porky, look, Lily's head. Come here, Lily. 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 Come here, Lily. Here, chick, 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 chick. Here, Lily. Come here. Come here, Lily. That one's over there like, Lily, what are you doing?